Hi friends, hope you are doing well. So budget has been presented by Nirmala Sitharaman today in Parliament. The most revolutionary change that was expected, that new income tax bill is going to come very soon. Next week वो introduce कर रहे हैं. Apart from that, there are few changes in the present income tax law. So आज के वीडियो में देखते हैं क्या changes आए हैं बजट में for the financial year 25-26, that is AY 26-27. Let's get started with the major amendments. So there is change in slab rate under the new regime. Individual HUF, Association of Person, Body of Individuals, AJP, with effect from assessment year 26-27, that is financial year 25-26. It is proposed that following rates provided under proposed clause of 115 BSC shall be rates applicable for determining income tax payable. So these are the new rates. Up to 4 lakh there is no tax, 4 lakh to 8 lakh 5%, 8 lakh to 12 lakh 10, then 12 lakh to 16 lakh 15%, 16 lakh to 20 20, 20 to 24 25%, and above 24 is 30%. However, if such persons exercise the option under subsection 6 of the 115 BSC, the rates as provided in part 3 of the first schedule शैल बी एप्लीकेबल, यानी अगर वो ओल्ड स्कीम में जो ऑप्ट होता है तो उसको जो प्रेजेंट रेट है ओल्ड स्कीम के, जो ओल्ड रिजिम के, वो एप्लीकेबल होंगे. अगर हम जो न्यू रिजिम है उसके प्रेजेंट रेट देखें तो दिस आर द प्रेजेंट रेट्स विच इज एप्लीकेबल फॉर द असेसमेंट ईयर 25-26. 3 लाख नील है, 3 लाख टू 7 लाख 5 लाख है, 7 लाख टू 10 लाख 10% है, 10 lakh to 12 lakh है 15%, 12 lakh to 15 lakh 20%, एंड अबाव 15 lakh 30%. तो उन्होंने जो हायर स्लैब्स रेट है उनमें काफ़ी बढ़ोतरी की है. सो दिस आर द स्लैब रेट्स फॉर द इंडिविजुअल्स opting for the new regime, which is now by default regime. These are the rates applicable to old regime. So पहले जिसकी 15 लाख थी इनकम थी, that guy has to pay 30% tax. Now that has been reduced drastically from 15% to 15%, 30% to 15%. That is commendable reduction in slab rate. Now this is a very single most debatable issue during the last filing season, which is rebate under section 87A. Under provision of section 87A, an SSC being an individual resident in India having total income not exceeding 5 lakh is provided a rebate of 100% of amount tax payable. That is, individual having income till 5 lakh is not required to pay any income tax. Further, Finance Act 2023 inserted proviso to provide that rebate in case of where the total income of such SSC is chargeable to tax under the new regime. The rebate of income tax shall be up to 25%, where total income does not exceed 7 lakh, and marginal relief where the total income exceeds 7 lakh to income chargeable to tax under the new regime. बट उसके बाद बहुत कंट्रोवर्सी हुई है कि जो कैपिटल गेन है, शॉर्ट टर्म कैपिटल गेन, उसमें रिबेट डिपार्टमेंट ने अलाउ नहीं की है. तो यहाँ वंस अगेन उन्होंने क्लैरिफाई किया है कि उस पर रिबेट नहीं मिल सकती, बीइंग स्पेशल इनकम. The provisions of subsection are subject to the other provisions of the chapter 12, that is determination of tax in certain special cases. Hence, proviso to 87 clearly provides that tax on income chargeable at special rates, that is capital gain under 11A, that is short-term capital gain, and 112, that is long-term capital gain, as specified, are not included while determining the rebate of the income tax under first proviso to 87A. Now this is clarified. This provision is being made, or amendment is being made after much controversy and after recent judgment of the Bombay High Court, जहाँ बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट ने बोला था कि टैक्स पेयर को जो रिबेट मिलनी चाहिए अंडर द लॉ वो मिलनी चाहिए. इट शुड नॉट बी disallowed due to some discrepancy during the in income tax related, but case is not so. Department was on no mood to grant such rebates. So ये rebate को भी उन्होंने increase कर दिया है यहाँ from assessment year 26-27 onwards. An assessee being an individual resident whose income chargeable to tax under the new regime is proposed to enhance the limit of the rebate in clause A and B of the first proviso, on which income tax is payable as per the rates of 115 BSE from 7 lakh to 12 lakhs, and the limit of rebate in the first proviso to 25,000 to 60,000. दैट्स वाई निर्मला सीतारामन ने अपने स्पीच में बोला कि 12 लैक्स का जो इनकम है उस पर कोई टैक्स नहीं लगेगा, एक्सेप्ट की जो स्पेशल इनकम रेट्स है कैपिटल गेन की, उस पर जो स्पेशल रेट्स पे लगता है. रेशनलाइज द प्रोवाइसो बाय इंसर्टिंग अ न्यू प्रोवाइसो सो एज टू प्रोवाइडेड. यहाँ उन्होंने जो बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट का जजमेंट था उसको नलीफाई कर दिया बाय इंसर्टिंग दिस प्रोवाइसो आफ्टर 87. Such rebate of income tax is not available on income chargeable to special rates, that is capital gain. So that was the single most amendment for as far as personal income tax point of view is concerned. Then another important personal income tax related measure is increasing limit for the interest threshold for calculating TDS under section 194A. अभी 50,000 है फॉर द सीनियर सिटीजन, उसको बढ़ाकर उन्होंने 1 लाख यहाँ कर दिया है. 40,000 इन अदर केसेस वेयर पेयर इज अ बैंक, कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी एंड पोस्ट ऑफिस, उसको 50,000 किया है. एंड 5,000 इन अदर केसेस उसको बढ़ा के 10,000 कर दिया है. So friends, these are the major amendments as far as personal taxation is concerned. In next video we'll see some other amendment as well. I hope ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आई होगी. Thanks for watching my video. Have a good day.